you get a white pumpkin?
Is it recording?
Yeah. This is a vlog.
Yeah. I just think everyone should be proud of who they are.
I can't fit my hand in here. Do you have a design in mind? A face that you see on your pumpkin?
No, I'm not sure yet. When in doubt, you can just go with a stencil. But you want to see a little trick? I'm about to put you guys on. Oops. So when you're cutting the top, you know, like the edges all kind of look the same, but in the back, I'm gonna do a little notch, so you can tell which side the back is.
Oh, okay.
And then it's like very obvious instead of being like, which side's the top?
Yeah.
And it's just, you can easily see when you want to put it back on. Pro tips. Pro tips.
Okay. All right, we're here at CrossFit, RX Fitness, CrossFit Severance. I got this shirt on. It's the Camera Sutra. All the positions with your tripod. We got Mike.
I'm actually quite well versed.
Did you do booty class?
No, I took pictures.
You just took pictures?
Yeah.
Oh, I hate these.
But I gotta do it soon.
Yeah.
I gotta get that little nice curve on my booty. Why are you laughing?
The tools are. Oh, does anyone want pumpkin seeds? But it looks.
My daughter loved pumpkin carving, so we used to do this a lot. When she was little.
Oh. Yeah.
I don't know, this is not right. This is not right. I don't trust myself with this right now. It's my thumbnail. Oh wait, hold on.
No. Fire this morning. It was bad.
No, I'm just kidding.
My grip was not good.
There's like those big green sticks.
Yes. Yeah, and after we did
Now we're gonna take this because they just can't stop talking about working out, and I'm cutting my pumpkin.
the one from last week we did on Tuesday, and
It's like funny how like you get older and like the things you used to do as like a younger kid, getting dirty and stuff, like you just don't want to do anymore.
Yeah.
But is that a good thing or a bad? I feel like that's not being playful. Why do I feel icky about getting dirty with pumpkin? Like when I was younger, I just wanted my family to do more of this stuff, you know? And it's like
we've never carved a pumpkin together.
I know because we did technically when we first met for the small group. I have terrible wrists.
Let's see her.
There's a whole garbage can. Why would you?
Dang, she is clean.
Yeah, bro. Look at you got pumpkins all over. There's something really sensual about this.
I'm quite well.
Did you say sensual?
There's something
the
really
hole is
sensual
small.
about this.
If you make the hole bigger, it'll be easier.
I can't.
But also, maybe if you get a better scraping.
Should I make the hole bigger? No, I already fucked it up.
No. You can't because you need.
You gotta put that back in there. Should I scrape that stuff off?
Yeah, but just finish this first.
All right. I need some space here. You're like all up on me, bro. It's a wide angle lens.
All right.
Look at the nice switch right here. I want
Oh my gosh, she's already done. Look at her. He has the tiniest little mouth.
He's about to puke though. He just did a workout and he's extremely tired.
He's really tired.
He's like, look at that.
Perfect.
Are you done scraping? I don't know where to go. All right, you want to do this now?
Yeah, I can do some.
Want to get some scraping? All right, here's my shirt. Let me know which one's your favorite.
Does anybody else want warm cider? Oh, Mike? Non-alcoholic? Non-alcoholic.
Why do I feel like a little joy of glee when you say it?
Look how cute it is. It's got a mustache.
He's almost done. I'm tired of this. This is stressful.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Literally, you are that person that just comes to the corner and is just like,
Oh my god, I'm serious. Don't distract me.
alright, so 2 are finished. He's got a little mustache. Oh, he's sketching his out first.
Yeah, we're drawing it out.
Oh,
We're going for fitness related.
a barbell?
A barbell.
Nice. We got the stencils out. She's still scraping. Stefania getting the stencil ready.
Step 1.
What was step 1?
This side of the ghost.
What are you deciding to do?
That's step 1. It's gonna look, well guys, let's not show the before and after because if I show the inspo, it's gonna reveal how bad this is. But this is what I'm going for.
Okay.
That's what we want.
That'll look sick.
Yeah, if we can pull it off. Thoughts and prayers.
What if I did like a Superman logo or something?
Oh yeah, that would be cool. But then that you got to be even more detailed with that.
That's easy.
Okay, do it.
I didn't Sharpie though. So, if you did a Superman logo, what would it look like?
What would it look like?
It's like the curves are like tough to do. And then I just carve out.
Superman.
We get this.
It's not. What
In
is?
reality, it's more like this.
I
I'm
think so.
dead.
What would you call it?
Poor Jesse and Mike.
I don't know. It looks like cheese.
Trying to have a nice time.
It's crazy.
It looks like the Swiss cheese.
Well, no. So I'm gonna carve that out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see what it looks like.
I'll carve out. I'll carve these out. And
Okay.
then it'll be
Okay.
outline.
We'll get there.
Stressful.
We'll get there. Look how clean that pumpkin is. Oh my gosh, bro.
If I told you I've carved a pumpkin every year since I was a child.
All right, everybody's carving right now. We're here at the gym. People are working out. You'll see how these look all lined up in a little bit, all right? So we'll meet back here when we've got some more pumpkins to show you. All right. What are your guys' traditions for the holidays? For Halloween or for fall? Do you guys carve pumpkins? Let me know. All right, so everybody's kind of finishing up what their pumpkins look like. We got a happy pumpkin. We got a barbell pumpkin. Katie's still working on hers.
We're close.
Mike's still working on his Superman Swiss cheddar. Catherine's still scraping the inside.
No, it's
I get it.
Lucille's tattooing.
Got the stencil over here. Oh yeah, she's doing what is that? What they do like in the little pinpoint pin needle something.
I go through it because I use a brick or two and like a dip every couple of weeks. And so I'm like, all right, cool.
We got a cat. Is that a cat?
That is a cat. It's a
cat.
jack with some whiskers.
Nice. Look at that. Woo. You got what was a ghost?
No, it's a ghost. What are you
Where's the
talking
eyes
about?
at?
It has no eyes, okay? So whatever.
Not all ghosts have eyes.
The ghost flew through the pumpkin
Yeah.
without any eyes. That's why it smashed right through it. So it's just a silhouette.
It's freaky, okay?
Another muffin here, because that's just what I am. I'm the muffin man. That cider's delicious. Do you know the muffin man?
What, the Shrek?
What's the song? How does the song go? The Muffin Man song?
I don't remember that.
Do you know the Muffin Man that lives on Drury Lane?
Yeah, that's me.
That's one.
I came for the snacks.
You know what?
You're just staring at it so intently. And you're like, yeah. And I'm like, it's just a hole in a pumpkin.
You're so mean.
With some curves in
It's
it.
just a curvy hole. Curvy something, okay?
And ain't no amount of perfecting it.
Shut up!
Gotta bring it back.
You're so mean.
It could be better.
Just gotta put a little candle in the middle.
He can see the ghost. Why can't you see the ghost in there?
Okay.
It's in there.
It's in there.
It's
In spirit, okay? In spirit.
It is a spirit.
It's supposed to be. See, literally, a ghost, okay? Let it be.
Yeah, she's done.
Oh, dang. There you go.
There's something in his eye.
Oh, she looks so cute.
My little baby ghost.
Look at that.
Look at that.
That's actually a ghost.
Hey, you said it. She said that's actually a ghost.
You know what? I don't care if my ghost is weird. It's meant to be weird like me. And I took Catherine for the ride.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Oh. It has no eye. He doesn't want to see.
I mean, it's got its own character to it. You should smooth out some of that stuff.
I did. It's fine.
It's fine.
All right, so everybody got their pumpkins done. Mike finished his Superman. I think it came out decent. That's all you need is a small little pumpkin, baby.
Halloween candy and the party's on. Yeah. And the party's on. Watch me come over, analyze all your dreams. Sometimes I feel like even the void screams. Now it would be a good time to call the police. Say it again, I dare you. Halloween. Your feet won't keep away all the wicked. Spooky season is testing your limit. And don't say I didn't warn you, but nothing of you is left to save now. Watch me come over, analyze all your dreams. Sometimes I feel like even the void screams. Now it would be a good time to call the police. Say it again, I dare you. Tell me about it. Halloween. Boo. Did you really just get scared?
No.
Oops.